Another day, another fluidity airdrop. This is the second airdrop on a testnet, this time on Solana. Let's effing go. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. This is what we're doing today. Remember fluidity on Ethereum testnet? We're now doing fluidity on Solana DevNet. Let me show you what you need to do. This is super awesome. And once the coin is live, hopefully the testnet that we did a month ago will give us an airdrop. The Solana airdrop that we've done now will give us an airdrop. We're all gonna make it. Subscribe, Patreon below. Let's do it. So Fluidity Solana DevNet is live. Ta 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 ta. And by the way, why do you like my ta 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 ta? Just a lot of you comment, I like your ta 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 ta. Anyway, Fluidity takes tokens and wrap them as a one-to-one. Remember the FUSD, all those jokes. Now they have it on Solana, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Basically, it tells you to get a Solana wallet. I will link below my tutorial how to get the Phantom wallet that we did like 2 months ago. Switch to DevNet. So okay, so let me show you how to do this. And also let me just make sure I'm recording. Okay, so go to your Solana Phantom wallet. I assume you already have that, and I assume you already done the fluidity on the Ethereum testnet that we did a month ago. That's what my assumptions. If you haven't, watch the links in my description first. You're gonna get yourself, you see here, you're currently on DevNet. You're gonna click here on this, on this one, on the settings. In the settings, scroll down, change network, and in the network, instead of mainnet Solana, change to DevNet. Okay, and now you need some faucet to get some gas fees for Solana. Okay, it also okay. So forget what I said. That there's a nice picture. Anyway, let's keep going. Scroll down, change network to DevNet. Choose DevNet and move forward. So now step 3. Get some dev sol faucet. You're gonna go to the faucet, also link below. Where's the faucet? Right here. Put your address, okay? Click this one, same thing. Copy. Where do I copy? Close this. Copy the address, put it here. I did like 10 minutes ago, but it doesn't matter. Click DevNet, okay, not testnet. Successful airdrop, and they gave me one Solana, which is basically I should have now 2, but we need FUSDT to actually do something. So now you see I got 2 Solana, all from a faucet. No, this is not live money. Use your brain, people. This is testnet. We're doing a testnet, so once the coin is live, a couple of months from now, we're planting seeds. We will get live money via airdrop. This is what we're doing. You just gotta have some patience. Okay, so next step that we got some Solana faucet. We need to get FUSD, obtaining fluid USDC. To follow the step, you need to be signed into your Twitter. For the link to the faucet, make sure the network setting is in Solana Dev. I'll show you in a second. And then request, this is very important. Do the Twitter and then send the tweet, and you will receive. There's two steps. Let me show you. This is the basically the faucet of fluidity. Change this one if it's not already from Ethereum Rupstein. This is what we've done before. Solana Dev, put your address, then it's gonna give you your Twitter tweet. Okay, you need to have a Twitter. This is what it is, and then for some reason you refresh this website and you get yourself a unique ID. Okay, you get your unique ID, and that unique ID you gotta click on it and then request funds. I don't know how, it's like magic internet money, as they say. And once you request funds, it's gonna give you 1000 FUSDT. Let's click that it's here. I don't know if it's here, but I know for sure that it's on the app itself. Unknown coin, okay, but basically it works. I'm gonna show you that it works. Let's move on. You're ready to get some Fluid Solana edition. You're ready to get some Fluid Solana edition. This is so cool. We're spending 10 minutes now, 10 minutes a month ago, and we're gonna get like $500,000, and we're all gonna make it. So subscribe if you wanna do it. Let's go. Yeah, and tell me a joke. It's been a while since we got the jokes because markets are down. Everyone talking about Bitcoin. Stop. Be real with yourself. Do you have $40,000 to buy one coin, or do you have a couple of pennies or in 10 minutes of your time to invest in airdrop hunting that will give you more and more and more? Okay, this is the place to be. Subscribe and Patreon below. Yeah, you are all set, and let me know if this was if you agree or disagree. If I'm completely wrong and all of you are watching all my YouTube nonsense is Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin. I don't care. I don't give a freaking f about Bitcoin price prediction. It's not gonna make me rich buying Bitcoin at 40,000, no matter what the big gurus are pumping you. That's basically what I think. Not a financial advice. You're all set. Head over to Solana application. That's the website. Rep and unrep FUSDT, and then try to send it as many times. Very important. As many times as you would like to see to win a reward. Not just like on the Ethereum. Note. Just like under the Ethereum testnet, we have a dedicated channel on the Discord. Same thing for Solana wallet addresses, and then follow your experience, fill the survey in the link below and fill the form. So let's do that. Go to the website right here. This is the dashboard. Click swap. First of all, do a quick swap right here. Let's change from fluid. This is what we got. We got like 1,000. I already played around a little. Do like 100, I don't know, 101 to change it to USDC, just to test the testnet. Not a big deal. Revert your fluid. Wait for this circle to approve. Click approve. Transaction successful. See how fast it is. Now I got like 600 left. Go to wallet. This is what they want you to do. I got like 600 FUSDC, 200 USDC. You see the history. I've done a little FUSDC, 1,000. All this is on Solana all today. You will probably see it a couple of days from now, but there's still time. Click on send. Okay, we're gonna click on send. Enter Solana address. So you need to go to the wallet, to the Discord, and in the Discord you need to basically verify all that stuff and just pick a random address right here. By the way, this is Finance After 40 for Patreon members. Feel free to join. Link below. Put a random address. Do this, I don't know, 2-3 times. Select FUSDC. I got 600. Let's send 250. Doesn't really matter. Click send. Open. Click approve. Okay. Transaction successful. Refresh to see that it's live basically in my wallet. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Need to connect the wallet again, of course. Connect. Click the wallet, see in the history and in the send button everything is good, and I got all this. Let's see if we need anything else. Fill the form right here. Thank you for taking part in the Solana DevNet. We're very excited about the rollout of Fluidity and Solana. Cannot wait to hear what you think. Make sure to drop by the Discord, share your feedback. My name is Eve, also known as Fans After 40. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.